A short description of what Real Graphic does to SolidWorks. It will transform your assembly or part from this into this. Okay, let me show you how to do it. First of all, download the text file from description. Open it. And change this X. I'll show you how to do it. Replace X. Replace with your SolidWorks version 2022. So put here just 2. It depends of your version of SolidWorks. Replace all. Close it. File. Save as. And here put all files and put at final put RAG and save it. Double click, activate it, yes, yes again, and that's all. Go to SolidWorks, now you will have it. Cheers.